Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we will talk about something that could change how you approach your goals and setbacks. The growth mindset. If you've ever faced failure or felt stuck, this mindset shift is going to help you turn those challenges into your biggest opportunities. Let's get into it. We all love to celebrate victories, right? We cheer for the winners and admire their success. But how many of us know that failure is a huge part of success? In fact, the most successful people often fail first. The key isn't avoiding failure, it's what you do with it. So how can you turn failure into your fuel for success? It all comes down to your mindset. Today, we're going to talk about two different mindsets, the fixed mindset and the growth mindset. And spoiler alert, the growth mindset is the one that leads to success. First things first, what exactly is a mindset? It's the way you see yourself and your abilities. It shapes how you approach challenges, setbacks, and even success itself. There are two main types of mindsets, fixed and growth. A fixed mindset is the belief that your talents and abilities are static. You either have them or you don't. A growth mindset, on the other hand, is the belief that you can develop and improve your skills over time through effort and practice. So, how do these mindsets show up in real life? Let's talk about the fixed mindset first. People with a fixed mindset feel the pressure to constantly prove themselves. They believe failure means they're not good enough, so they avoid challenges or give up quickly. Mistakes feel like personal failure, not an opportunity to learn. Now, let's talk about the growth mindset. Someone with a growth mindset views failure as part of the process. They understand that mistakes help them learn and grow. Instead of being discouraged, they stay motivated, knowing that with practice, they will improve. Now that we understand the difference, how can you develop a growth mindset in your own life? It's not a one-time thing, it's something you can work on every day. Here are some steps to get you started. Step 1. Identify areas where you have a fixed mindset. Everyone has strengths, but there are likely areas where you avoid challenges or give up too easily. Those are the spots to focus on. Step 2. Seek feedback. Ask for constructive criticism. Feedback is a tool for growth, and it helps you see where you can improve. Step 3. Embrace failure. Yes, you heard me. Don't fear it. When you fail, take ownership, figure out what went wrong, and use it as a learning opportunity. Every mistake is a chance to grow. Step 4. Pursue challenges. The more you stretch your abilities, the more you'll grow. Don't avoid things just because they're hard. In fact, those are often the best learning opportunities. Step 5. Ask questions. There's no such thing as a dumb question when you're trying to grow. Ask for help, seek advice, and learn from others. Step 6. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. The end goal is important, but the lessons you learn along the way matter even more. Step 7. Praise effort over ability. Instead of thinking, I'm just not good at this, tell yourself, I'm not good at this yet. Shift your focus to the effort and hard work you put in. Step 8. Use the power of yet. When you're struggling, remind yourself, I haven't mastered this yet. That simple word opens up a world of possibility. And there you have it. The growth mindset is all about believing that you can improve, learn from failure, and keep going, no matter how tough it gets. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. So, which of these steps are you going to start with today? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing, learning, and reaching your goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, with a growth mindset, you're always just one step away from your next breakthrough.